Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at different types of list comprehension methods. So let's take an example here. So let's say you want to create a list and which is going to have the values from 1 to 10 in it. So what normally you would do is you would create a list and you take a for loop for I in range from 1 to 11. The reason why I took 11 is because always the last value is excluded in the range function. So what you can do is list.append and append I and you would just print list. Okay, so if I run this, we get the output of a list which contains 1 to 10 values in it. So instead of doing it this way, what you can do is you can totally remove this and you can take a for loop inside of the list for I in range of 1 to 11, same thing, and you just have to put I over here. And if you run this, you'll get the same output. Okay, and now let's take a look at list comprehension using if method. So let's say we want to only have even values in it. So let's take if function. So we'll put if inside here and we'll take I mod 2 if it's equal to 0, then we will only put that value in it. So if I run this, we will get the list with only even values in it. So now let's take a look at the example uh, which is going to use if else. So let's remove this. If else syntax is a little bit different, so we'll take if condition here. So if let's say we want to insert uh, 0 for even values and 1 for odd values. So if I mod 2, if this is equal to 0, then I want the value to be 0, else I want the value to be 1. Okay, so this is the syntax. It's a little bit different than if, only if, plain if condition. So you can just do if I mod is equal to 0, then we want it to be 0, else we want it to be 1. So if I run this, we'll get this output. Okay, so 1 is odd, that's why the value is 1, and 2 is even, so that's why the value is 0. Okay, now let's take a look at nested for loops, how we can use nested for loops in list comprehension. So I will just um, remove this, and let's say we want our output to look something like this. So list with multiple tuples. So let's say 0 comma 0 0 comma 1. So these types of tuples in it, multiple combinations. So we have already taken one for loop. Let's take another for loop for j in range from again 1 to 11, and we will just do tuple here and we'll just put I comma j, and let's give a little bit space over there, and if I run this, we will get the list with tuples. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.